Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm back out here on the river. It's really early in the morning, about half hour before daylight. I brought two rods with me, but I got one set up. I'll show y'all what I'm using in a little bit. But if this is your first time here, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Alright, so I'll show y'all what I'm using. We got 80-pound braid, my sinker slide. We got the bead to protect the knot, using 5 ounces of lead. I got an 80-pound mono leader with a size 6 Kale hook and a piece of skipjack. We'll go ahead and throw it out. Just like that. Go ahead and set our drag. We want to leave the drag loose. Now we just wait. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I want to take some time out to talk to y'all about this rod holder that PLUSINNO sent me. It's a little adjustable rod holder. You could put your rod in like that. They got a screw right here where you could adjust if you want it to be held up a little more like that. They actually sent me 2 of them right here. See, just a screw. You just screw it in and out, and it adjusts the angle. It's got little plastic covers for because this is pointy on the end. But if you're interested in these rod holders, I'll have a link in the description, also with a 20% off code. Yep, these little portable rod holders for bank fishing. I'm using my pond as an example. But yep, that's them. Go check them out. They sell a couple other things too besides rod holders. Yeah, we got us a fish. We got a fish. Seems like a pretty decent one. Ah, a stingray. I caught a stingray. I didn't want that. Well, that's what I caught. A stingray. Let me try to get them off without getting stuck. Alright, got the hook out. Get out. There he goes. Alright, y'all. It's time to go. I've been sitting here a little while now and no bites. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.